Hello everyone, BYM here, and it has been a while, which seems like it's something I've been saying in a lot of my videos every time I come back from like a little break, or a long one, really. And I was thinking that maybe actually it's time that I actually start to document some things that I like to remember. And so that's kind of going to be a little bit of the trend for the coming videos. Most of them are going to be nature oriented. That's just because that's my passion. I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek to let you see exactly what I think I'd like to showcase. So if you guys know me at all personally, then I think you'll realize that nature is something that's very central to my life. It's something that I really enjoy spending time in. Whether that's gardening, I actually created a garden somehow in my apartment in college, but that's for another video in the future. Or whether that's hiking, and you'll see whenever you go on a hike with me that I'll try to point out everything that I know, and I'd assume it would be a little annoying, but apparently people actually like it. So because I enjoy this so much and I've experienced all of these different beautiful places in my life so far, which I'm very thankful for, I'd like to have a place where I can look back at these memories in a much more easy and much more, I guess you could say, organized way, because I have a ton of photos, a ton of videos, but I'm not going to really go through all of them one by one. I mean, that's not very easy to do, and I want to share these things with other people who I'm friends with and who are part of my life, because I just feel like it's something I enjoy, so maybe I can make it enjoyable for them as well, and maybe they'll find nature as something that makes them happy as well. So that's the goal for these videos in the future. So stay tuned, and yeah, I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what exactly has been going on, with a little bit of dialogue in the background. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you want to see more, and let me know if you're excited for the way that the channel is trending now. I mean, it's one video that I'm making now, so let's not get ahead of ourselves, but hopefully the goal is to keep videos going into the future. So let me know what you think. I felt like the pictures did enough talking on their own, so we'll save a little more of the experiences and a little bit more of the vlog style for a future video coming up. So stay tuned, guys, and leave a like and subscribe if you want to join us, and looking forward for more videos coming soon. Yeah, and I guess I shouldn't forget to mention the fact that the name is going to change for the channel, which is something crazy to say just because of how long it's actually been that way, how long my channel has actually been titled BYM, the greatest man alive. It was fun while it lasted. It was childish, but it was fun. And yeah, I guess the way that I want to move with the channel is a little bit more into the future as an adult, which I am at this point, so I guess it's time to make a change. So we're going to be going with BYM for now, which is how I've been introing the last couple of videos, even before I've been trying to make this comeback, as you might have seen with some of the garden videos that I made in the past. So sorry for those who actually hold on to the nostalgia from the good old days when we were young, but it's time to make a change. Thanks guys for watching though again.